Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make a chase game in Scratch. Okay. Step 1. Choose backdrop. Choose anything one you like. I'll choose the blue sky and choose a sprite. Choose any sprite you like. I'll choose dog 2. We need we want our dog to move. One space, one right arrow key pressed, we change X by 1. Look, see? But we needed to move left. X by 10 minus. Up arrow. Place it with this. Down arrow. And choose another sprite. I'll choose cat 2 because, like I said, you can choose whatever sprite you like. If you're recording and forget, I think you should go on the tutorial. Oh, wait, never mind. I don't know. Forever. Then just create a score variable. See, I know pop up. Now you know this. Okay. Let's use an if then block. If touching cat 2. And let's just have something for it to collect. Please sound collect. Then increase score by 1. Change score. And let's put it in a forever loop. Okay, let's try it out. It works. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thank you and bye.